Hey, what up, manga fans? I'm back with another video. Viewing Chainsaw Man, Chainsaw Man International Assassin's Arc. It's good, but confusing for me. Yeah, recently manga's a little confusing. I might be bad. This might be bad for me when we eventually get to the anime adaptation. Its adaptation in the season 2 of the anime. So season 2, second half of season 2, probably be dedicated to the Gundam arc. I probably wouldn't have enough episodes left to adapt it. I mean, my next arc anyway. I should check how many chapters that is. Yeah, I'm viewing these International Assassin's arc. It's a good arc. Like I said, just complicated, confusing for me. Really much confusing. We can go like one or two arcs left of the Public Safety Saga. So the entire first half of Chainsaw Man was probably a weekly shonen Jump, the Public Safety Saga. When the second saga began, it was moved to Jump Plus. I've always been a Jump Plus manga, but no, I was wrong. Very interesting. I got like 3 volumes of the manga. I do want to collect more volumes, but I don't have enough room. I don't have enough room for all of them, as you can see. I put my lot of mangas on there, at least first volume, so I can make them part of my reviews. But I'm not done with this. All I'm doing was going to go back to the anime. Maybe watching the anime, also in English, because I already seen it in Japanese. Or a season review when we get the Racing Art movie. And it's coming in sometime in 2025. So mostly we'll get at least a release window for it in Jump Festa. Like I said, I have a theory why the movie did not come out this year. It was originally supposed to come out in fall this year, but it didn't. But most likely, it was originally going to be Look Back it was supposed to go alongside Look Back, but most likely to avoid competition, so people won't watch the Chainsaw Man movie. Look Back's a streaming movie, straight to streaming movie, so yeah. But if they release the Chainsaw Man movie around the same time, then yeah, that will probably lead to more people flocking to that than watching the movie on Amazon Prime. So I can understand that. If that's not the reason, then if you do know a reason, if that isn't the reason, let me know in the comments down below, because I don't know. Yeah, Look Back is definitely a good series. I definitely want to check out the manga. But once I'll be checking out another new series that's just come out today, with 4 whole chapters being released. And it's a new series by One, the author of Mob Psycho 100, and One Punch Man is back in Shonen Jump with a new manga. One Punch Man is still ongoing, for God's sake, too. Oh. Yes, One is not really much of an artist. But again, Mob Psycho and One Punch Man look exactly the same with their art style, so yeah. Well, he's got a different artist in this series. I'm not here, so I'll be checking it out once I'm done. Anyway, let's try my best to get through this arc. So, yeah, story was over Denji having that dream again about that door. And here's a voice saying, "Don't open it." Why is that? Denji is definitely confused. Denji is still thinking about Reze as well. A little bit down with that. But we'll see Makima. His feels really left it. There we go. But you can say Denji and Aki have a bit. Denji and Hayakawa seem to be more of a friendship now. If you look back or watch this movie, you know Chainsaw Man's been referenced in it, kind of. At least the covers of the volumes are being referenced. You know exact positions. You can put, when you see issues of the Weekly Shonen Jump in the movie, they're different in the manga. As in, the covers are obviously in the manga, they're more parodies of One Piece, which makes sense. One Piece is the biggest seller in Shonen Jump. But the movie actually changes the second time you see the magazine. Actually replaces it with Shark Attack, the parody of Chainsaw Man. As I say, yeah, Chainsaw Man was originally published in Weekly Shonen Jump. We're moving over to Jump Plus. I do like Chainsaw Man. It's good. I just says it's right to be on the Dark Trio. So yeah. I mean, Monkey was planning a trip for them. That trip ends up getting postponed when she finds out that Denji's on the news. What's that? Is she? What the hell? Sorry, I saw a flashing light way over in the distance. I mean, like way over in the distance, all the way down that way. Uh, uh, Around all the way down that way. See where that you see the trees and stuff over there. It was around there I saw the light. It's weird, isn't it? What was that about? No way you can see a light from that distance. It's way too far. I don't know what that was about. Oh. Anyway, back to the story. So we I mean, we caught up on the enemy. So yeah, now the world knows how Denji. So yeah, Denji. So um, after that so basically Monkey was worried. Basically now everyone for other country, for all the countries will come to come after Denji. Was only his heart. He's also having a trip being cancelled. But I can't reassure you that it's been postponed. Again, I like seeing how Denji and Hayakawa are becoming a little more closer since the Katana Man arc. Yeah, they got a great moment together in that arc as they kick up Katana Man's balls. It was a good moment. Yep, we'll go for those two. I don't know if they appear in the second saga. I got a bit of a problem with Fujimoto's writing. Characters that appear in the previous arc gets killed off in the next arc. I do have a problem with that. I'm sorry. There's no kill characters, but you can't kill characters that mean wonderful to us unless you demonstrate how powerful. It's like there's no kill characters in another story, but like if you see characters that have been powerful from the start get killed off in a later story, you know these enemies are dangerous. So, so the many assassins. We have three brothers. Who we have three brothers. They have a contract with the Skin Devil, and they already killed some members of the safety of the public. They already killed three people. One has scarred his nose. I could have sworn another character was killed. You know, the two characters of the last arc were killed. And again, they probably were there, I just forgot what he looked like. Yeah. So yeah, Fujimoto just likes to kill off a lot of the characters he introduces. Yeah. I'm not exactly a fan of that idea. Again, he's had done some one-shots out of the series prior to Chainsaw Man. a fire punch, which can only be viewed on the web or possibly Manga Plus. I don't know now. Tatsuki Fujimoto. So if he decides to do a new series after Chainsaw Man, I'm all for it because I do like it. But him killing off a lot of characters in that story after they introduced in the previous one, it's a little too. Yeah, we don't get much time to spend with them. They get killed that easily in the next story. I get, I get stakes when they create higher stakes. So you want to show how powerful these antagonists are. If they kill off people who are pretty strong. So anyway, Denji, another assassin, is a one-eyed woman with a bunch of beans. She thought she was a man when she first appeared, but she was a woman. Okay, there's a lot of dangerous assassins. There's a killer called Father Christmas, or Santa Claus, sorry, called Santa Claus. I know, not the actual jolly old man. I mean, it's just a code name. Basically, he's dangerous. So yeah, Denji. After that. So yeah, assassins come after Denji, including two other assassins. One with weaker life, and one of them also who cherishes her. So yeah, most of this arc is just people following Denji around, trying to find different ways to kill him, whenever opportunities to strike. Yeah, I kind of wish they built upon this a little more. Yeah, if you want an assassin story arc, you gotta introduce a bunch of weaker assassins first. We'll work onto a bigger one. It's toughest of them all. Build up to it. You know what I mean? Build up to it. These guys come. I just keep appearing about each part of the story. To kill Denji. It's very. It is so complicated. I try my best to pay attention to the story, but it is tricky because of that. So then, Denji struck with a nail 3 times. Back in his without knowing. I skillfully. Both but one could kill him. One strike could kill him. That's why I don't really trust his apprentice to do it. Hey, Denji and some other members of the safety group, the public safety service. All stupid. I should take no, the birds got taken down. At least not all of them. Since one survived. Yeah. This Santa Claus has contract with a doll devil. It's he one touch turns someone into a doll. But not proper doll. Basically he controls it like a doll. He can never go back. Then so we get a lot of fights. Like one eyed woman is strong too. So they all start attacking Denji. Oh, that's complicated. So those complex bites. They all do their best, but they're strong. It's weird thing, some people offer Kishibe. Basically, he tells us, well, not tells, but passes notes to the world, basically saying he wants to kill Makima. Why? Was he always been loyal? I really want to kill her. She's powerful, yes, but why? But Oh, yeah, it's no point anyway. Yeah, I got a bit of a truce. As a Dr. Stephen's been summoned, type of hell. As earlier, the angel being mentioned earlier, that there's a type of hell for demon beings. When they die, they reborn in that hell. When they die, then they're reborn in the real world. Endless cycle of death and rebirth. But of course, a lot of demons don't remember hell, but only remember it's hearing a sound. Sound similar to Denji's cord. They pulls to go chainsaw. I think I mentioned this in the other, but they cut out one chapter from the manga. They cut off chapter 2, most of chapter 2 in the manga. Instead, just adapted it to chapter 3. Just started the rest of chapter 2. I don't know, chapter 2 with chapter 3. Mixed them together. Anyway. So, yeah. Not as even is tough. The Maki that showed up to take it down herself. Still strong. So, much everyone back, and it's revealed that Santa Claus, the old man, wasn't Santa Claus. It was that woman who even killed her own apprentice. She's the Santa Claus and used him as a doll. And now basically becomes a doll. Basically becomes the doll fiend. But she's a tough one. But Denji was able to go chainsaw again. Managed to gain a lot more blood. Even as to get help for a woman with spikes. That's what also confuses me. Like, is she that white woman? Or is she someone else? Yeah, it just confuses me. It's just the way the palette is. Just how the Margot is paneled, I'm pretty confused. And it's chaos, so it's hard to keep track of what's going on. That's one of my big gripes in this arc. It's hard to keep track of what's going on. If you want a assassin story arc, that's fine, but you gotta make sure the character, keep the characters in check. Like, look at Sakamoto days. For the amusement park arc, the bar has a bunch of assassins there. Easy to dispatched. Even Sakamoto, still you want to keep track of it. Not multiple assassins, but still you want to keep track of it. I cannot wait for the anime. I plan to actually cover the second arc soon. By the time I read those 4 chapters in that manga. So, anyway. And the one that she is defeated, and basically, thanks to the cosmic feed, she can only say Halloween before she dies. Yeah, the whole thing, the cosmic feed can say only says Halloween all the time. So yeah, she's defeated. Everyone else is defeated too. And that's it. The assassins have been defeated. For now, I guess. Maki mentioned earlier in the face of the Gundam for next year. So I was only going to restart the next arc. So that was the International Assassins arc, and yeah, I really was lost for most of it. It was just too much going on. It was pretty complicated. I'll be able to keep track of everything. Good on you. Like, you can actually help. Man, you can actually help me out on this one. A lot of things I did not get. So you can help. Sort this out for the comments down below. Help me figure this out properly. I wasn't able to properly get it because I was lost in a lot of commotion and stuff. So, yeah, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll thank you all for watching. If you do enjoy my content, please hit the thumbs up button. Want to see more? Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell. All this comes out in the future. I'll see you guys later for that for One New Manga. Guys, will jump out.